Hi guys, CJ here from Second Opinion. And today, we're here in Sun Valley Golf Course in Antipolo to test out this new limited edition HUAWEI wearable. HONMA as a golf brand is well known for its craftsmanship. Mix that with HUAWEI's intelligent wearable technology, and you get a smartwatch that stuns both on and off the course. Introducing the limited edition HONMA HUAWEI WATCH GT6 Pro. It comes with pro-level golf features to help you attack the course, while the HONMA collaboration is evident in its premium and luxurious design, all while ensuring no interruptions on the course with its 21-day battery life. If it wasn't obvious, it is heavily inspired by HONMA's gold and black aesthetic. The gold accents can be found on the bezel as well as the buckle, with the latter having the golf brand's logo engraved on it. I love how subtle the gold is. Some gold shades are quite loud and in your face, but the one here is just perfect. Golf enthusiasts will appreciate the HONMA exclusive dials that the smartwatch comes with as well. A refined expression of Japanese artistry, powered by HUAWEI technology. I also appreciate that this limited edition model comes with a rubber strap, which makes it more comfortable to wear during outdoor activities. In terms of build quality, you can trust that HUAWEI will almost always get it right. The mix of the sapphire crystal and the aerospace-grade titanium that the case is built with allows for a durable and lightweight device perfect for the outdoors. Overall, the clean and sleek design is perfect for any on- and off-course fit. On the course, caddies complete the golf partnership. The amount of help they provide during a round is priceless. They give you distances, help you read putts, and recommend how you can better manage and navigate your way through your round. HONMA HUAWEI WATCH GT6 Pro does all of these, which makes it the perfect caddy on the wrist. First thing you need to do is download the HUAWEI Health app on your smartphone. Through the app, you can input the yardages of all the clubs in your bag. But more importantly, you can download course layouts of over 17,000 golf courses worldwide. You can find layouts of most, if not all, courses here in the Philippines, both private and public, including Sun Valley Golf Course where we are today. It will then sync with your smartwatch, and just like that, you're ready for your round. Distance in golf is very important, but it's not always that straightforward. Factors like elevation and wind can affect how long or how short you should play your shot. We're at hole number 6 here in Sun Valley Golf Course, in this elevated par 3. And as you can see, both elevation and wind will play major factors in the shot. This is where the play-like distance feature comes in, where it takes into consideration the factors I just mentioned to give you a better picture of what club to use. With the play-like distance, it plays 141 yards to the front, 152 to the middle, and 161 to the back of the green. Perfect 8-iron for me given the pin placement. Next up, on the green. Improving your putting is one of the easiest ways any amateur can shed some strokes off his round. The green slope direction feature shows you the slopes on the green, allowing you to read the green with confidence. Here on hole number 6, we're on the green, putting for birdie, and the watch says that there's a double breaker in this green, but mostly left to right. So let's see if we can putt for birdie. Oh! And that's a birdie. Birdie, baby. To help with future rounds, the shot distance feature records shot distances to build an accurate database of how far you hit each club. Another impressive feature is the AI Caddy. It provides smart club and shot recommendations based on real data to help you manage your way around the course better. After each hole, input your score on the digital scorecard to keep track. All these essential golf features make my golfer heart full and happy. Apart from golf, the HONMA HUAWEI WATCH GT6 Pro supports over 100 other sports modes, especially a few pro-level outdoor sports. With running, the smartwatch can provide tips and tricks to improve your running. Measuring cycling FTP can also be done on the device, which is actually an industry first. You can also use the device when diving up to 40 meters. I've had the privilege of visiting the HUAWEI Health Lab in China a few years ago. This is where HUAWEI tests and develops their wearables for real-world usage. It's good to see that HUAWEI continuously improves and refines its wearable technology. The brand has also upgraded its sunflower positioning system. It has a 99% accuracy, which is benchmarked against professional navigation systems used in aviation. Whether it's for sports or navigation, the HONMA HUAWEI Watch GT6 Pro proves to be the ultimate outdoor companion. Huawei smartwatches are also quite reliable when it comes to health tracking, all thanks to the TrueSense system. For the heart, you get professional-grade CE-certified pulse wave arrhythmia analysis and ECG. TrueSleep, on the other hand, provides more accurate sleep tracking to further improve your sleep quality down the line. Health Insight takes into consideration all of your health data collected to provide you with holistic and comprehensive health summaries. One of my favorite things about Huawei smartwatches is that they track your emotional well-being. Sometimes, you just need a reminder of how you're feeling in order for you to act accordingly. Just because this is a limited edition collaboration with a golf brand doesn't mean the HONMA HUAWEI Watch GT6 Pro skimps on health features. The smartwatch boasts a battery life of up to 21 days. That's almost 3 weeks of uninterrupted golf and outdoor activities for you to do with this device. But convenience extends far beyond battery life. It supports GCash Watch Pay for you to go cashless, as well as tracking your rides on the Angkas app. Thankfully, the HONMA HUAWEI Watch GT6 Pro supports universal compatibility. This means that the smartwatch is compatible with Huawei, Android, and iOS devices. Just make sure to always download the Huawei Health app. The HONMA HUAWEI Watch GT6 Pro is surely an ideal smartwatch for golf enthusiasts. However, its support for other outdoor sports, comprehensive health monitoring, and premium design make it a smartwatch that can be universally admired by all. Huawei is a recognized leader in the wearable space, but this collaboration adds a pinch of fun and luxury to an already impressive device. Get yours for only 17,999 pesos and receive freebies worth up to 7,500 pesos, including a limited edition HONMA gift box, which includes a pitch mark repair tool, ball marker, and commemorative ball.